be permanently deleted? I mean, I must confess, I've got a little confused after the low.
I would love to know how Greta Van Susteren got in there into the closing bell at Wall Street. Good trick, Greta. Wish I could do that. Well, welcome to the Daily Closing Bell Report, folks, as we try to effort Jeff Yastine, Newsmax Editorial Director of Financial Newsletters. Let me tell you the closing numbers. The market ending 2 down days on the last full trading day before the end of the week, before the Easter holiday. Tomorrow there will be futures trading after the jobs numbers are released for the month of March. And those job numbers will be out tomorrow. So the last full day of trading was today. The Dow up 65 points, and the Nasdaq up 6, and the S&P. There you see the Dow closing at 17,763. The Nasdaq up a little over 6, and the S&P up just over 7. And joining us now is Jeff Yastine. Jeff, welcome aboard. So on this last day before the of full trading before the Easter holiday. What was it? Was it the Iran deal? Was it the jobs numbers prognostications? Was it the dollar? What do you attribute the slight uptick to?
I guess some grouping of all three of those. Just kind of really a lazy day of trading, if you will. It's the kind of day when you sit and watch this stuff all day. It feels like summertime, where the market just kind of drifts. And even that Iran deal, you could say there was a small bump up, and the market, the Dow was up like 60 points, 55 points, and then that Iran deal came out, and really there was a small intraday boost, and we finished right back around to where that was. So again, some combination of all three. We're really at the point where we can't define any one particular thing right now. We'll see what the jobs report brings tomorrow.
And what are we expecting from the jobs report? I know it's all in such close proximity to the month ended, and the on a I guess a couple days ago, and so now it's the same week as the end of the month, which is a rarity, I guess. But ADP numbers come out in a predictive mode as to what we could expect tomorrow.
Yeah, I think what the assessment is that the data will show some negativity there regarding the economy, but the big question is really whether it's due to the very cold, bitter winter that the Northeast and the Midwest has experienced, which has kept people out of the stores and delayed shipments in some cases, those kinds of things, or is the U.S. economy really, in fact, slowing down? Most economists right now are saying they think that it's really a weather-related situation and not something as extreme as the economy slowing down, but you never know, and the market in its wisdom will render its judgment.
Right, and again, if the economy's slowing down, not too much, but a little bit, then the bad news could be translated in the interest rate world as for prognostication for interest rates raising as good news.
That's exactly right, and you will see, if that comes to pass, you will see at some point the market and the strategists and others who kind of set the pace on these things, they will come out and start saying that. So, stay tuned, and we'll see how it all goes tomorrow.
Yeah, and of course tomorrow, if I'm correct, we just have futures trading at the time, I think, leading up to or just after the numbers are released, but there's the markets are closed other than futures trading. Am I correct?
To be honest, I haven't looked myself, so I could not answer your question accurately here. But the main thing is, going into a major holiday, even if the market is open, it's usually bullish. There's almost nobody trading, and the general tendency is to go up anyway. Right. Look at an ultimate result perhaps next week.
All right. Thank you very much, as always, sir. Great to talk to you.
Thanks, Steve.
All right, folks, and you can find out more on the financial news by going to Newsmax.com and simply click on the finance button right at the top of the page, and that's what you'll see if you do that right now. Chock full of information. Give Me 5 is next. Don't go away.